Welcome back everyone to another AI tutorial. In this video we're going to see how to edit photos using ChatGPT. ChatGPT's built-in image editor is like a mini Photoshop right in your browser. Whether you want to change colors, add objects, or apply creative filters, editing is intuitive and fun. Firstly, open any image generated by ChatGPT. Click or tap the image. This will open the editor interface. Now, tap Select and draw around the part you want to edit. Great for localized changes, for example, changing clothes, adding accessories, or adding facial features. Now, describe what you want in the text box below. For example, change the chair to red, add sunglasses, or replace background with cityscape. Now, press Enter and let ChatGPT works its magic. Now, when the edit is done, click Save to download your new image. That's the simplest way, or you can just apply full image edits with prompts on ChatGPT like add a dreamy sunset, transform into cyberpunk art style, or make it look like a Pixar movie. Be specific in your prompts. You can stack prompts and try different styles like watercolor, oil painting, cartoon, film noir, etc. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.